Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to paint this little figurine of two small snowmen, men standing and just watching. And I am going to use my trusty dowel here with a double-sided tape on top of that. And now I can give these little guys some white color, and I am giving them at least 2 or 3 layers of the white paint here. When that has all dried, I am going into the black paint and I am going to paint their little hats. And I'm taking my time with this, and if I get a little black where I don't want it, I am gonna correct it later with a little tiny bit of white again, so it's no big deal. Anyway, painting their hats. Then I am using a dotting tool to make their eyes so they actually can see what they are looking at. So just very carefully a small dotting pen into the black paint and then dot them on for eyes. And I'm not totally happy about these ones, but they will do. I mixed a tiny bit of gray paint, so white and black together to paint their scarves, and I'm painting both of them gray, but you can use any color you like to paint these scarves. I cleaned up a tiny few pieces where I had got a little too much of the gray onto the white part, so I'm just using a tiny bit of white and painting that over when everything else is all dry. I decided to paint their mittens red, so I'm just using a tiny bit of red to get the mittens all nice looking here. They are kind of difficult to paint really nice, so I'm really trying my best here, but I actually think the end result is nice. Then I am going to mix a tiny bit of red into my yellow paint here, making an orange color for their little carrot noses, and then I'm gonna paint those as well. Now it is time to glue the little piece here into the scenery, and I want them to stand here by the little fire pit or what it is. I'm not really sure about it, but the little light that we have, this golden thing around, I'm just gonna place them right here. Oh, and then this top part is almost done. We just need the greenery. I am using my hot glue gun to glue this greenery all the way around on this little lip here. I hate the strings that you get from the hot glue gun, but it's the best way to glue this greenery on there. And I'm just trying to get rid of these strings. Leave that in the glue for a tiny bit before I turn it around, place a tiny bit of more glue, and then turn around, and I'm gonna continue that all the way around the top part here. And then I am going to cut off the rest of this little wine here and then just glue it in place so that it is kind of looking like it is going around and around and around. And that is all for the video today. I know it is a short one, but there will be a little longer video tomorrow, so I hope you will come and watch that one. But for now, we have almost all the levels here done. We need one more thing for this level here, and we will go do that tomorrow, so I hope I see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting.